Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Kuromi ghost. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's draw two angled lines going out. And then let's curve it out and bring it back in. And connect it at the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two angles on the sides for the eyes. And then a long curve underneath. Then color both of the eyes in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw two eyelashes on the top corners. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop to the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then underneath for the mouth, let's draw a curve up and over to the right side. Step in underneath on the left and add another curve to close it off. And add some angled lines for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move on top and let's draw the skull. Let's start with a line across. And then bring it up on both ends. And then a large curve on top. Now top inside and let's draw two angled ovals for the eyes. And then two lines inside the bottom. And that's it for the skull. Now let's start drawing the shape of the body. Let's start with a large curve across on top. And then curve it down on the left, stopping here. And the same on the right side. Now before we finish the body, let's draw the ears on top. Let's start with an angle up on the top left and on the right. And then another one out underneath. And then close it off with two angles meeting at a point. And then add a circle at the end of each one. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move down and let's draw the hands. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it back up and in underneath. And now let's draw the right hand in the same way. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the body. Let's continue the right side by curving it down and back up. And then curve it back down at the end. Now top back over to the left side and let's continue the body underneath the arm by curving it down, over, and up on the right. And that's it for this cute Kuromi ghost. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!